Learning English with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a helpful computer program that can help you learn English. Think of it as a friendly teacher who is always ready to talk with you. In this video, I will explain how you can use ChatGPT to improve your English skills. I will use simple words and short sentences to make it easy to understand. Why use ChatGPT to learn English? ChatGPT is very patient. It never gets tired or angry. You can make mistakes, and that's okay. It will help you fix them. You can practice English anytime you want, early in the morning or late at night. Best of all, you don't need to pay money to practice with ChatGPT. How to start using ChatGPT for English learning. First, go to ChatGPT's website. You need to make a free account. After that, you can start talking with ChatGPT. It's like writing messages to a friend. You can write in English, and ChatGPT will write back to you in English. Different ways to practice English with ChatGPT. 1. Have simple conversations. Start with easy topics. Tell ChatGPT about yourself. Ask it questions about the weather, food, or hobbies. For example, you can say, "Hi, how are you today?" Or, "Can you tell me about your favorite food?" 2. Learn new words. Ask ChatGPT to teach you new words. You can say, "Please teach me 5 new words about cooking," or, "What are some words I can use to describe the weather?" ChatGPT will explain these words using simple language. 3. Practice grammar. Grammar can be hard, but ChatGPT makes it easier. Ask it to explain grammar rules. For example, can you explain when to use is and are? Or, please help me understand past tense verbs. 4. Fix your mistakes. When you write something, ask ChatGPT to check for mistakes. Say, "Can you check if my sentence is correct?" It will help you find and fix errors in your writing. 5. Read stories. Ask ChatGPT to tell you simple stories. Reading stories helps you learn new words and understand how to use them. Say, "Please tell me a short story using easy English words." 6. Practice writing. Tell ChatGPT to give you writing topics. Start with easy ones like my family or my favorite food. Write about these topics and ask ChatGPT to help make your writing better. Tips for better learning. Keep these things in mind. Start with easy topics. Write a little bit every day. Don't worry about making mistakes. Ask questions when you don't understand. Practice the same conversations many times. Save useful conversations to look at later. Try to use new words you learn. Fun activities to try with ChatGPT. 1. Role-playing games. Ask ChatGPT to pretend with you. You can practice talking like you're at a restaurant, store, or airport. This helps you learn useful everyday English. 2. Word games. Play simple word games with ChatGPT. Ask it to play games like finding words that start with certain letters, making sentences with new words, describing pictures with simple words. 3. Daily journal. Write about your day in English. Ask ChatGPT to help you make your writing better. This helps you learn to express your thoughts in English. 4. Song discussions. Tell ChatGPT about your favorite English songs. Ask it to explain what the words mean. This makes learning fun and helps you remember new words. Common topics to practice with. Start with these easy topics. Family and friends, daily activities, food and cooking, weather and seasons, hobbies and interests, places in your city, jobs and work, animals and pets, colors and numbers, clothes and shopping, how to ask good questions. To get the most help from ChatGPT, try these kinds of questions. Can you explain this in simpler words? Please give me an example. Is there an easier way to say this? What is another word for... Can you check if I wrote this correctly? Making progress. Remember these important points. 1. Learning takes time. Don't try to learn everything at once. Take small steps each day. Learn a few new words or practice one grammar rule at a time. 2. Make mistakes and learn. Making mistakes is normal when learning a language. Each mistake helps you learn and get better. 3. Practice regularly. Try to practice English with ChatGPT every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Regular practice helps you improve faster. 4. Review old conversations. Look back at your old conversations with ChatGPT. See how much you have learned and what you need to practice more. Special tips for beginners. Here are some helpful tips. 1. Start very simple. Begin with basic greetings and simple questions. As you feel more comfortable, try harder topics. 2. Use pictures. Tell ChatGPT to help you describe pictures. This helps you learn words for things you see every day. 3. Read out loud. Read ChatGPT's responses out loud. This helps you practice speaking and learn how words sound. 4. Keep a word list. Write down new words you learn from ChatGPT. Try to use these words in your next conversation. When you feel stuck. If you don't understand something, ask ChatGPT to explain again using easier words. Ask for more examples. Break the topic into smaller parts. Take a break and come back later. Remember to have fun. Learning English should be fun. Try these fun ideas. Tell jokes with ChatGPT. Share funny stories. Talk about things you love. Ask ChatGPT to create simple poems. Play word games. Final thoughts. Learning English with ChatGPT is like having a helpful friend who is always ready to teach you. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice a little bit every day and you will see yourself getting better. Remember that every expert English speaker started as a beginner too. Keep these main points in mind. Practice regularly. Start with easy topics. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Ask lots of questions. Review what you learn. Have fun while learning. With ChatGPT's help and your dedication to learning, you can improve your English skills day by day. Good luck with your English learning journey.